before I forget, this video is a giveaway, so make sure you guys at least watch the end part of the video, because that's where I will leave the instructions on how to enter to win this unit. This is all because you guys have been so great. Like, I have got so much good support from you guys, and I just wanted to give back. I wanted to do more giveaways, but I'm just learning how to do it, and I don't want to make no mistakes or anything. I just want to go about it in the right way. And so this will be my first one. I'm excited for you guys, and I have more giveaways coming in the future depending on how this one goes. It seems like it should be easy, but you don't ever know. So let's hope for the best, and thank you guys. Guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I got another wig review. So this wig review is sponsored by Sensational. Shout out to Sensational. You guys are the bomb.com. They sent me this unit, one of their newer units. This is the Butter Unit 22, and I got her in the color 1B. So this is how she looks in the stock card. It is HD lace, and it comes pre-plucked to give you the illusion of a natural hairline with the baby hairs. So again, this is what a normal lace usually looks like, and this is what their butter lace is looking like. So yeah, and this is some of the colors that this unit comes in. Now I have reviewed about 4 other butter units in the past. I will leave the link to them in the description box if you guys are interested in any butter units, but they are so good. I love Sensational. They're doing really good with the HD lace. And yeah, so anyways, enough of me. This is the hair. It's a nice little short blunt cut bob. Has a middle deep part. I wish I had a small head like this mannequin, so it will fit me like this, but my big old head, we'll see how it works. I'm sure it'll be fine because it's a butter lace. Like, you can't go wrong with butter lace. This is what the construction is looking like. So it is ear-to-ear lace. Oop, if you can see it, ear-to-ear lace. The deep middle part, it's about 5 or 6 inches of middle part. 2 combs on each side. The comb in the back, and then the adjustable straps. So yeah, you guys, if you guys are interested to see how I style her and how she ends up looking for me, then go ahead and keep watching. I will leave the chapters down in the description box if you guys just want to skip forward to the final thoughts, or whatever part you are more interested on, go ahead and pick your spot. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit a like button, a subscribe button. Anything really does help, and you guys is very much appreciated.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe, 'cause you're all that I crave. So I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, 'cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me, where's your location? Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are any day. Let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say,
so you guys, this is my final look for BUTTA Unit 22, and she is so cute. So this is gonna be a giveaway unit, so I didn't try to glue too much because I don't want to do a lot of cleanup, but she does not need a lot of work. Like, this could be a pop on and go. I only put a little bit of glue here, and you know, on the sideburn part. I was gonna like glue the baby hair sideburns down, but I remembered that I was gonna give this unit away, and I don't want to customize her to me too much, and I wanted it to be able to go as, you know, untouched as possible, even though it's not possible to untouch her on a wig and stuff. She has a light yucky texture to her. I feel like she has a good amount of body to her. It could like mimic human hair, in my opinion. Like, I could feel like people wouldn't be able to tell that I'm wearing a synthetic wig. And yeah, you guys, I feel so cute in it. Like, and after I give her away, I might have to go buy me my own because it's so cute. So I don't know if it's because I have a lot of hair in my back, but I'm pretty sure that's how the stock girl, well, she has her head tilted a little bit, so I don't know if it's because my head's bigger, but mine's like shorter in the back. Like, it has an angle to her, like if you guys notice. So yeah, you guys, this is not a disappointment at all. BUTTA lace always serves goodness to me. Like, I mean, I guess there's some flaws here and there, either with the color or the texture, but their lace is usually very good looking, in my opinion. So yeah, so you guys, to enter this giveaway, you must be subscribed to my channel. You have to comment in the comment box for this video, and then follow me on Instagram as well, and leave a comment in the reel for this unit. The reel should be up on my Instagram containing this wig, so just comment on that reel on my Instagram, follow me on Instagram, and comment and subscribe to my YouTube, and that's how you will enter to win this unit. I will post this on Thursday, what's today, today's the 25th, so I'm posting this May 26th, and I will announce the winner next Thursday, so stay tuned. Whoever gets a chance to enter, I love you guys so much. I'm almost at 1K, and this is why I want to pick up on these giveaways, to like gain a little bit momentum and show YouTube that we're doing it over here. Thank you guys so much. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about this unit. Whoever's getting her, lucky you, because I did not want to give this one away, but I feel like I need to give something new, something that is worth a giveaway. So yeah, you guys, I love you so much again. Stay blessed and have a great day.
Down like me, I'm fergalicious. Come delicious. My body stays vicious. I be up in the gym just working on